Before proceeding to the video guys, if you want more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Guys, you're watching Creativity with RJ and I'm your host Rishabh, and I'm back with a new video on how to make a simple toy car with a shoebox. And it's made out of waste, so it's a really good car. It's better than those toy cars that are made of plastic. And so let's first tell what we need. First of all, we will need a shoebox to use as a base. Then we will need a simple motor that comes of this much size, 4 wheels and 2 axles of the width of your shoebox, one circuit plate named 4CHRC. Along with that circuit plate, this antenna will come fixed and this remote will also come, a battery holder, a switch and 3 cells. So let's get started with it. You will need to fix the positions where you will have to put your wheels, and for that you will have to make their holes, put the axle there and then put the wheels on the axle. Then I have put the motor on the last pair of wheels, and thus after starting the switch on and sending the signal from the remote, the last pair of wheels moves. But if you want more speed and power, you can put motor here also. So putting a motor here and fixing it with 3 giraris, and then connecting the wires of that motor to the circuit plate named 4CHRC here, and then connecting that to the switch and putting the cells here in the battery holder. See, I have used the battery holder of an old car. You can also use it, as it is hard to get it in the market, and along with it you will also get the switch. So it's good to use the battery holder of an old car. So putting the batteries there and turning it from down, and after that sending the signal from the remote, it will start to work. Let's show you. See, I turned on the switch and see there's light in this circuit plate, so you can leave a transparent space here so that light comes out. I turned on the switch. Now I send the signal from the remote and it starts to move. Thank you guys. I hope you like this video.